Cardano ADA to $1,000. Pro investors ready to invest. Cardano ADA news today. Cardano ADA has been in the spotlight lately, partially because of its early 2021 price performance and the fact that its huge fanbase has been anxiously awaiting the launch of the network's smart contract capability in the upcoming Alonzo upgrade. While the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, took place and the total value locked in DeFi applications soared above $76 billion, Cardano investors have been waiting for nearly 4 years for the project to deliver on all its promises. Today we are going to talk about the professional investors who are ready to invest in Cardano. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 20th of August, shall we? Cardano is trading in the green toward the end of the Asian session on Thursday. The bullish outlook appeared after ADA embraced support around $1.92 following a correction from the recently traded 3-month high roughly at $2.25. Meanwhile, the newest smart contract token is exchanging at $2.08 after the uptrend faltered at $2.2. The seller congestion at this level has remained intact, challenging recovery attempts that are eyeing the all-time high near $2.5. The short-term technical picture appears to have flipped bullish as ADA lifted from $1.92. According to the 4-hour chart, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator would present a buy signal in the nearest future if not for the barrier at $2.2. The bulls must keep the price above $2, a move that could ensure market stability and increase the chances of the MACD turning bullish. In the meantime, holding above the mean line favors the bulls, but the 12-day EMA must cross above the 26-day EMA to validate the recovery and give the bulls a boost to crack the barrier at $2.2. Trading above this level may trigger more buy orders as speculation mounts for gains to $2.5. Investor interest is expected to shoot up, especially after Cardano's Alonzo network upgrade. Looking at the other side of the picture, Into the Block's IOMAP on-chain metric highlights a massive resistance that may sabotage the expected upswing at $2.17. Around 61,000 addresses previously bought 1.1 billion ADA in this area and may wish to break even as the price rises, dampening the bullish pressure. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano ADA has been in the spotlight lately, partially because of its early 2021 price performance and the fact that its huge fanbase has been anxiously awaiting the launch of the network's smart contract capability in the upcoming Alonzo upgrade. Traders are now trying to determine whether the 50% rally since July 21st was backed by positive expectations or fundamentals. The movement could have been a return to the mean, signaling that previous bearish trades were closed after 2 months of negative performance. Cardano has been performing negatively, partially because of the failed estimates from Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, who estimated that the network would have hundreds of assets, along with thousands of dApps, by July. Hoskinson did defend himself on YouTube by saying that more than $10 million in non-fungible tokens, NFT, have been sold through the network, but this pales in comparison to his previous estimates. On July 14th, IOHK, the blockchain development team behind Cardano, migrated the Alonzo testnet to an intermediary stage that allows developers, validators, and stake pool operators. And on July 16th, the Cardano-based Spores network, an NFT and DeFi marketplace project, raised $2.3 million. Despite these bullish developments, veteran technical analyst Peter Brandt said that Cardano's price chart formed a classical head and shoulders pattern that could lead to a 60% or higher crash. Futures open interest is growing, but what about investor optimism? Let's take a look at ADA's derivatives data to cross-check how professional traders are dealing with this duality. After peaking at $1.13 billion on May 16th, the aggregate open interest in ADA futures contracts plunged to a $285 million low on July 19th. Still, traders' interest in the altcoin appears to be rapidly increasing because the indicator currently stands at $530 million. Longs and shorts are matched at all times, even though their leverage may vary, so viewing the funding rate is a better way of determining how bullish or bearish those investors are. Derivatives exchanges will typically charge the side demanding excessive leverage every 8 hours, and this fee is paid to the opposing side. Neutral markets tend to display a 0 to 0.03% positive funding rate, which is equivalent to 0.6% per week, and indicates longs are the ones paying it. Ever since the May 19th crash, Cardano's funding rate has been ranging from 0 to slightly negative, indicating that shorts are the ones demanding more leverage. Nevertheless, on Saturday, there were early signs of a trend inversion, but it is not yet confirmed. Professional traders are slightly bearish. It is also useful to confirm that the quarterly futures contracts premium reflects a trend similar to the one seen in perpetual contracts, because these fixed-date instruments do not have a funding rate adjustment. Therefore, eventual demand imbalances are reflected by a price difference to the regular spot markets. A negative premium is a bearish situation, known as backwardation, and healthy markets should display a 0.2% to 1% premium. Retail traders usually stay away from these instruments to avoid the hassle of calculating the futures premium or having to manually roll over positions nearing expiry. The discount on futures contracts that have been ongoing since May 20th has started to vanish. Although far from a neutral to bullish scenario, it reveals a demand increase from longs. Consequently, derivatives indicators show that investors are not yet sold on Cardano's promises to deliver decentralized applications and tokens. This might be a reaction to the overextended rally of early 2021, or simply a lack of trust with the continued delays in development. Why should I invest in Cardano? There are a few good reasons why you might want to consider adding Cardano to your portfolio. For once, Cardano is trying to solve some real issues that were overlooked by both the first and second generation cryptocurrencies. These include the issues of scalability, sustainability, and security. Cardano solves these issues by using a proof-of-stake system and a layered architecture. Also, unlike Ethereum, which has an unlimited supply, ADA is capped at 45 billion coins. This limit will bring about scarcity that skyrockets Cardano's value and demand over the years. So if you invest now, your investment will grow more valuable, especially if you're a hodling, as the supply of ADA reduces. Another reason to invest in Cardano is the growing number of decentralized apps on its platform. Demand for dApps is growing, and Cardano being at the forefront of decentralized finance will no doubt take center stage when these dApps see mainstream adoption. Cardano is undoubtedly one of the most promising cryptocurrencies today. The project has strong fundamentals with a rapidly growing community, and while many people refer to it as an Ethereum killer, Cardano has managed to carve out its own path and is on the road to parallel the top coins in the market. The craziest part is that this is just the beginning for Cardano. This is as terrifying as it is exciting, because so much is riding on a successful smart contract rollout. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.